Since 2003, our capable engineers have been providing quick and reliable appliance repairs to customers throughout London and South East England. As an approved service centre for a number of leading global brands such as Beko, Samsung and LG, our expertise is recognised industry-wide. We're gas safe and F-gas registered too, so don't worry, you're in safe hands. No matter what the appliance, whether it's your washing machine, fridge, oven or dishwasher, our engineers will get your home back up and running. Here is what to expect when one of our engineers comes to visit you. To book your appointment, simply give us a call on 0203 124 1872. Alternatively, you can get an instant quote for your repair online by visiting the link on the screen now. On the day of your appointment, you'll receive a call up to 30 minutes before your engineer is due to arrive, giving you enough time to nip home if you're out and about. On arrival, our engineer will show you their ID, pop on some cover shoes to protect your home and get to work. We'll always aim to fix the problem right there and then, and we'll always carry out safety checks for your peace of mind. Once your appliance has been repaired, you'll receive an e-service receipt from us to confirm that the job has been completed. We always appreciate feedback from our customers. If you want to tell us how our engineers did, please visit our website. So, if your kitchen's on the blink, don't stress, call Domex.